As Chinese companies move up the value chain, do more innovation, own more patents, have more breakthroughs, do you think that we will then see a real acceleration in terms of the way IP is protected in China and the enforcement of laws to protect IP?
I think the answer is yes. I think jump in, but broadly the laws to protect IP are largely fine today. It's getting them implemented at pace and with sufficient significance to really count. And it is possible to get from the civil to the criminal. And if you do get to the criminal and you prove your case, someone gets locked up. It just takes a long time to make that happen. But there are a number of companies, multinationals, who have gone through the process, have succeeded in proving a criminal case. Well, you don't prove, the police prove the criminal case. Someone gets locked up, and once you have a piece of paper that says that has been the outcome of the case, I guarantee you the number of instances that you get goes down dramatically. But nothing's really going to change the system faster than having Chinese companies that want to protect their own intellectual property going to court against other Chinese companies. And when that happens, at scale, I think we'll have a very well working intellectual property system in China.
I have to say that I'm more skeptical. I think that Gordon is right. The IP regulations are probably on the books, are better than or as good as anywhere in the world. The issue, as Gordon mentioned, is the actual sanctions that are in place are way too low for most violations. I think the larger issue is the one that Gordon mentioned in the case of for example, for WAPI, for Wi-Fi standards, or other government policies that basically say here's the standard that we want to compete with, and then the Chinese government basically helps other companies reverse engineer from that position. And so, if you still have a system where the Chinese are trying to either create alternative standards or copy existing standards, then I see this system continuing because the government is pushing this innovation and is pushing continued IPR violations. So unless you see a dramatic change in government approaches to innovation, then I don't think that has a dramatic impact. I think that's the more dramatic impact on IPR violations over time.